everyone again, and it's my second project, which is I want to do myself and try it. It's the smart fire alarm, automatic fire alarm system, and the fire is one of those hazards that can go from a small problem to a catastrophic one, and in a matter of minutes. A lot of damage caused by fires. And I I try to protect humans and etc. for with my smart automatic program. Like there are some components like that: Arduino, gas sensor, temperature sensor, one resistor which is 4.7 kilo ohm, and one red LED, and one resistor again, which one is 330 ohm, and one piezo buzzer, and our schematic view like that, and our program like that. Yes, as you see, we have the Arduino and we have the mini small beer board, and our gas sensor, our piezo buzzer, and our LED, our first resistor and second resistor like that, and our temperature sensor, and we have the code side like that. I used code blocks uh, for this project like that, and also we can see the 1 minute please. Yes, we can see the text one, like block and text. Yes, it's our text form of our blocks. And anyway, we look the blocks primarily like that. Yes, we have connection. uh, First of all, we have the little mini breadboard, and on breadboard we have the gas sensor. Gas sensor is connected to the power supply. One side of it is connected to power supply, like 5 volt, and it can throw it and connect there. After that, when it connect there, our breadboard send this current and cable alongside like that, and for connecting three of them like that. First one is connected our breadboard primer cable, and second one is like connected third one connected to second one like that. And as you see, our gas sensor have the other side, and it's connected first B1 terminal come through there with this cable to analog 0 pin, and the H2 terminal come with this um, to the GND, our ground of Arduino, and the other terminal B2 is connected to the resistor 1 like that, and it's 4.70 kilo ohm, and it's connecting also to the ground. And also our Arduino connected to one temperature sensor like that, and our temperature sensor have the power terminal way out, and ground. Our power connected to also to 5 volt power supply of Arduino, and our V out is connected to analog pin 1, and the ground connect again to ground of our Arduino. And the alarm side and LED side of our project, our piezo have the positive and negative. Positive make the signal, get the signal and understand that yes, it's time, I can be alarm. And the digital pin 8 give this signal to positive side of piezo buzzer, and also the negative side is connected ground of our Arduino again, and our LEDs cathode and anode cathode is connected to the resistor, and after that it come to ground, and the anode side of our LED is connected to digital pin 4. And like that, we have the code side. Like first of all, we make a create the new variables: gas sensor, temp sensor. And I said that yes, set gas sensor to read analog pin A0. Why I do that? Because gas sensor is variable which I created, and I want to set it with uh, reading our analog 0. It means analog 0 is connected with green cable to our gas sensor. Yes, and it read the signal from gas sensor like that. It reads, and write is as set is at as a gas sensor value. And also we set the temp sensor, it's temperature sensor, and as you see it, our temperature sensor um, signal come from the V out with a yellow cable to the analog 1. And I said that yes, read analog 1 pin, A1 pin, and and sub subtracted 20 from it, and times 4.04, 3.04, and map it about the range negative 20 and 120, like it's the temperature Celsius, as you see, like and print the serial monitor for better visualization, like in there. After start simulation you can see that, and our code print the temp sensor to serial monitor, and also the gas sensor there for understanding which value they have, and wait 1 minute after printing, and again print if it's changed. And we have the if else block like that, two if else block. If gas sensor greater than the 400, then play speaker, it means play our piezo buzzer on pin. Which pin our piezo buzzer connected? It's to the digital 8, digital 7. For this reason I write there digital 7 pin. Yes, pin 7. And with tone I give the tone 100 tone for 0 second. It means our buzzer is alarming every second, like without stopping. And else, if this condition is not true, it means our gas sensor less than 40 400, and it means there are not any gas, or there are not any fire, and our pin 8, pin 7, sorry about it, pin 7 like that, is low. It means there are not any signal go to piezo buzzer, and it's not alarming. And also the other if statements like that. Our temp sensor, our temp sensor, when is greater than 60, like 60 Celsius, it means there are a lot of it will be burning and etc. And there are any fire and its problem, and we set the pin 4 because our LED is connected to pin 4 on Arduino, and high, too high. It means if our Celsius is greater than or equal to 60 Celsius, our LED is switch on, light on, and else it means this condition is not true, and our temperature is good, there are not any problem. This time our pin 4, digital pin 4, is low. It means there are not any signal which go to the anode of our LED. And we can start a simulation like that and see the what we have the serial monitor. Yes, 35 and 306. What does it mean? As you see, we have the print lines like that, print blocks. Uh, first one is our temperature sensor. It means our weather is like 35 Celsius, and our fire gas sensor is amount of 306 for this line, and we can get smoke around of the gas sensor, and when it come to the gas sensor, you see gas sensor is increased amount, and a little bit come through, and yes, you see. Okay, let why it will be because our gas sensor detect any fire, any smoke, and it greater than 400, and it come to this line and play the speaker. If you want, you can write like that 0 0.1 seconds and start the simulation. It's a little bit a good sound for alarming, like for example if we come again, smoke. Yes, you see it's like not continuously alarming, like it's the normal alarm, like and also if our temperature is increased, like we have because condition, like if your temperature sensor detect that the weather is greater than 60 Celsius, our LED is must be switch on and try it. Yes, you see 31, 40, you can see from there, and 47, and you see when it's 61, our LED is switch on, and also the greater amounts. But if it's not 61, it's 59, maybe 59. If yes, you see 51, 56. Yes, for example 58. You see our LED is not switch on. If it's a little bit go increase, and it will be 63, 61, our LED is switch on, and that's all. You can use it, you can enjoy, and also I try to show the code sites for the other ones, like 1 minute. Like stop it, yes. Block and text, click on it, and yes, you can see our codes like there. It's our codes. Okay, see you later.